This is our Unger DeepCleanRx Janitorial cart cleaning system, available here at Regent Supply. This is fully loaded to keep your team organized and on the move throughout your daily tasks, overnight cleans, or even deep cleaning. This cleaning system has everything your team needs: mopping, dusting, trash, restrooms, and high glass cleaning. Everything on one single cart. And with its narrow tower design, it fits through most standard doorways and fits easily into most janitorial closets. One of the standout features is the EZClip system. Tools click securely in place, no digging around, no leaving things behind, and they are right there when you need them. The clips come in multiple sizes and are fully interchangeable, so the cart can fit tools your team already owns, not just Unger tools. When everything has a place, restocking is faster, training new staff is easier, and nothing gets left behind in a room. For floor care, the cart includes the OmniClean dual bucket cleaning system. Clean solution in one side, dirty water in the other. You're always mopping with clean solution, not pushing dirty water around the floor. And this is one of my favorite features. The compact mopping cart separates from the main cart. So if you only need to do a small area, you're not rolling the whole thing with you. That kind of flexibility saves you time on your shift.
And now we're going to talk about the Stingray. The Stingray is a refillable microfiber system that allows your staff to clean elevated surfaces safely from the ground. In order to get started, we need to fill the reservoir. Simply take this off, open your bottle, grab your chemical, fill it up, put your lid back on, and now you're ready to go. The Stingray acts as a microfiber and a spray bottle all in one system. Whether you're doing low areas or you grab the extension and do high areas. And for dusting, you have the Star Duster Pro. Great for ledges, corners, or anywhere that dust hides.
Now let's talk about trash collection. Trash collection is built right in. Vinyl bag holds a standard 55-gallon liner, and the rear zipper means your staff can empty it without tipping or removing the entire bag. Nifty Nabber allows you to pick up waste without bending down or touching it directly.
This system comes with a toilet brush with a long handle that keeps staff off the floor and reduces splash risk. It also comes with a drip caddy that clips directly to your cart to make sure you're never splashing or dripping across your hallway. The telescopic broom and dustpan are great for quick pickups without having to bend over. This is the type of tool that will get used 100 times a shift. 3 built-in shelves give your staff tons of space to store everything they may need. No more running back to the supply closet during your shift.
If you're looking to move from a basic cart to an organized cleaning system, the Unger DeepCleanRx is built for that. Fewer trips, better organization, a cleaner result every time.
You can find it now at Regent Supply. Reach out to our sales team for a quote or visit our online catalog for more information.
Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe now for more facility maintenance content.